Photoshop video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how you can quickly paint the background layer to transparency. Now maybe you've got a design like this, you've got a shape layer and you've got obviously transparency there, but you want transparency with the background. Well, just quickly go over there, unlock it, make sure it's unlocked. Once you've got it unlocked, then what you can do, just quickly go over to the brush tools, select a sufficiently large brush. I'm just going to go for a 1418 and set the mode to clear. And once you've done that, just simply apply the brush stroke over the document and you can clear as much as you want. So if you don't want to clear it all, obviously you can just say, just clear half of it. You could actually just say, clear half of it. And you've just got now a nice transparent background to work from. But obviously just continue and clear that all off. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.